If you want to create mobile app quickly and don't know how to code, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to get fast sort free for and how you can make powerful mobile app using no code approach. Everything will be simple, honest and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
So first of all, you will visit this website fastsort.ai. I will give this link in this video description also. Here you can see backed by 𝐲 Combinator. So just click on this, start building. Then sign up with your Gmail account, or simply you can also use your email address any. So for this video I will use this continue with Google. I will give promo code, by that you can use fast sort AI free for 1 month. Here you can see we have successfully logged in our account. Just click on this upgrade button. Then here you can see pro and 1 lakh credit. Just click on this upgrade to pro. The payment page will be open. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe. Here you can see almost I upload daily 1 videos, or you can visit my store to buy anything. Here you can see sorry, this is the annual plan. Let's first select monthly plan, upgrade, then choose monthly, click on upgrade to pro, then click on this add promotion code. I will give this link in this video description. Just click on apply. Here you can see now $1 only. Just add your card detail, or you can also add your cash app, and simply click on the subscribe button. So I don't want to create an account. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐚 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.